In life you see a lot.
Assalamu alaikum guys, and in this video we will learn about how to check memory usage in Linux. So if you want to check how much your RAM is being occupied and other related information, you can do it by the command free, and that would give you the space used and space free and shared buffer and many other information. Now you notice that this is in bytes, so you can view the information in many other formats. For example, if you want the disk RAM usage in megabytes, you use free minus n, and that will give you how much of the megabytes. So you have like almost like 4 GB, I think 4 GB RAM, yeah, 386 megabytes, and out of this much amount of is used, this much is free, this much is shared, this much is buffer and other related information. So for example, if you want to view the same information in gigabytes, you use minus g, and that will give you in gigabytes. So you have 2 GB used and 1 GB is free and some related information. Now if you want to see the information in human readable format, you can use minus h, and that will give you that 3.8 GB is your total RAM, out of which 2.2 GB is used and 1.6 GB is free and other related information. So this is how you view the memory usage in Linux. Hope this might help. Until next time, assalamu alaikum.
Build you up, then fall like dominoes. Make you feel like you are all alone, but still I rise. Why we struggle, we may never know, but the plan of God is never wrong. Hold your head up high and just be